The retail banking workforce is shrinking, and it isn't because of an economic slowdown. It's because the algorithms have officially learned how to handle the paperwork. If stories like these keep you informed on the technology shaping tomorrow, don't like, share, and subscribe. Now, with that, let's get straight to the story. India's largest private sector lender, HDFC Bank, just dropped its integrated annual report for the financial year ended March 31st, 2026. And the numbers reveal a massive operational shockwave. The banking giant has officially trimmed its workforce by 3,343 employees in a single fiscal year. Now, the bank's total headcount dropped from 2,14,521 down to 2,11,178. But let's not mistake this for a standard corporate layoff, because it isn't. This is a highly calculated, aggressive, structural reorganization. HDFC Bank is systematically using artificial intelligence to hollow out its routine back office operational layers while simultaneously beefing up its upper management teams. The core objective of this workforce adjustment is, of course, the rapid eradication of routine clerical overhead. When you look past the top line numbers, the true scale of the automation clear out becomes clear. The headcount for non-supervisory roles, which includes workmen, clerical staff, and subordinate personnel, plunged by a staggering 8,153 employees. It dropped to 1,62,797. These are the exact back-end entry, verification, and support functions that software can absorb instantly. However, let us also look at where the bank is expanding. Now, HDFC Bank aggressively added bodies to its supervisory tiers. Junior management shot up by 3,543 roles to touch 37,708. Middle management expanded by 1,252 positions to reach 10,411. Senior management tickled upward to 262 elite executives. Managing Director and CEO Sashidhar Jagdishan made the strategy explicitly clear. The bank is transforming into a technology-led and customer-centric institution. They are deliberately redeploying human talent away from back-end processing, where technology can drive structural efficiencies, and pushing them into high-value front-end customer-facing role. And the technological battering driving this structural evolution is, of course, an inside job. HDFC Bank has officially unveiled Neve. Neve is the bank's in-house enterprise generative AI full-stack platform. Now, instead of letting individual businesses and departments build fragmented, uncoordinated AI pilots, Neve standardizes AI development across the entire corporation. It provides model access, integrated workflow orchestration, and strict administrative guardrails under one single umbrella. This allows ordinary business teams to deploy automated solutions while ensuring the entire capability remains auditable, heavily monitored, and fully aligned with strict regulatory oversight. The rollout has been completely transformational for how the bank is engineered. Alongside Neve, HDFC Bank has officially finalized its full net banking architecture upgrade and deployed an entirely re-engineered in-house mobile banking platform featuring heightened security and superior usability. Now, across specialized business verticals, the digital footprint is scaling at a massive rate. In corporate banking, enhanced platforms like CBX and TradeFlow are embedding directly into corporate workflows, while their digital wealth platform, Smart Wealth, is driving unprecedented retail client participation. Top executives at Wall Street and international institutions including JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Standard Chartered have repeatedly issued public warnings that generative AI will structurally compress legacy headcount requirements. Now, HDFC Bank's annual report explicitly notes that they embrace technology not to completely replace the human experience, but to elevate it from day one. But the market truth is inescapable. Banks globally are automating the routine to survive, and the data proves that it is working. Now, to prepare its remaining staff for this new era, HDFC Bank's Gen AI Academy delivered over 1.36 crore learning hours this fiscal year, upskilling over 50,000 employees in AI and thousands more in tools like Microsoft Copilot. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a front page take on this. HDFC Bank is setting the definitive blueprint for the future of Indian banking operations. Now, by using an in-house full-stack AI platform like Neve to automate back-end clerical labor out of existence, they are essentially protecting operating margins and forcing their human workforce to become highly productive sales and advisory assets. The question here I would like for you to answer is, can automated platforms like Neve maintain bulletproof regulatory compliance and prevent banking fraud without human eyes on the back end? Or will this aggressive clerical clear-out expose the lender to unseen operational risks? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.